Everyone, this is Stealth. Welcome back to Motor Gear Solid. In the last video I finished up the project bike. I put all the fairings from my personal CBR 250R onto that bike that used to be black. That way I could take all the fairings and put them on my bike, because I ended up wanting a black CBR. Go figure. Also did some maintenance on that bike. Changed the chain. I changed the front sprocket to a 15 tooth sprocket from the original stock 14 tooth sprocket. I also replaced the wheels from the project bike onto my own personal CBR because they had some amazing tires. So I wanted those tires rather than buy some new tires. So today I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the stock exhaust and header with some high heat manifold paint, like flat black. Then once that's dry, I'll reinstall it and then I'll put on all the fairings. But before I put on the fairings, I'm going to mount the crash bar base. Then once I put the fairings on, I can install the actual crash bars. One of the first things I need to do is clean up this lower cover. It goes right under here. Other than the chain cover and mini mud flap thing so far. And I restored the plastic with this Meguiar's plastic restore stuff. I used it on the project bike and it turned out really nice. So I'm gonna clean it first, and then this should look nice and new like that. Put some on. Oh, it's a bit much, but the idea. Put on a cloth or paper towel and just wipe it on. Much better, huge difference. And it adds to the overall presentation of the bike when you do this kind of stuff. I'm just finishing up painting the header, painting up the exhaust. So I've been using this Rust-Oleum high heat paint. It's in flat black. So the thing with this paint is, when you use it, especially if you use it on your motorcycle or car, the paint needs to cure. So when you're running the bike or car, for example, it's going to heat up the pipes and then the paint will start to smoke as it's curing. So if you see smoke on your bike and you use this stuff, don't worry. Probably take like a few days of riding and it'll clear up. I've used this on my car in the past and it did the same thing. So just keep that in mind. All the parts are painted, so I'm going to reinstall them. First I'm going to do the header section and then mount it. Stock exhaust is back on with the header, and the lower cover has been installed as well, and also the chain cover. So that's the heat shield. Comes in this like very nice satin black color. It's almost like a gunmetal. Looks really good. Suits the black look perfectly. I like that it's not a flat black, it's like a nice satin black. I'm going to install the crash bars. First you have to mount the base of the crash bars. So they attach right here. So you remove this and you reinstall it with the supplied bolt. Okay, so this is one side of the crash bar. This is the right side, so I'm not going to install it right now because I need to put the fairing on and then put this after. Now that the base of the crash bar is on both sides, this support piece is here. I can finally start to assemble the bike and put on all the fairings, and then I'll finish installing the crash bars. Okay, so that's it for my personal bike. I got all the fairings on and put on the crash bars, changed the wheels and all that in the other video too. So this thing is completely done. I love the way it looks. Looks better than I even expected it. I'm really happy with, I'm really happy with the decision to turn it black. Everything worked out in the end. The other bike is out of here. Soon I get this bike out of here and bring in another bike. It'll be really fun because it'll be a completely different bike. That's like an old school cruiser, so it's carbureted, air cooled. I'm gonna do a lot of maintenance on that and maybe some custom mods that it needs. So that should be a completely new experience, and it's just fun to learn and work on different bikes, and I think I'll really enjoy it. If you guys want to see more motorcycle projects, remember to subscribe to Motor Gear Solid. Please like the video and comment down below what you guys are riding this spring and if you're working on any projects in the winter. This is Stealth, and I'll see you guys soon in another video.